5:45 p.m.
Oh my god, I'm missing EAS's and I have nothing to record with either.
Oh, you can use mine.
Okay, we can play the EAS. It's
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for
I knew it.
South Central Monroe County
Oh.
at 6:30 p.m. At 5
Wait, they said tornado?
Yeah, they said tornado warning.
storm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Temperance and Moon.
Oh, son of a bitch!
No. That's not really funny, but... Oh.
You know what? Screw Wonderground.
6 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Britain to Blissfield, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Deerfield around 5:45 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Tecumseh, Deerfield, Clinton, Britain, Blissfield. A tornado warning remains in effect for Washington.